Okay, in this problem, we are going to review angular speed, tangential speed, and then we are going to add in centripetal acceleration. So first, we look at the givens. They say the Earth orbits the Sun once a year, which is 3.16 times 10 to the 7th seconds, in a nearly circular orbit. And they give us the radius. With respect to the Sun, determine the angular speed of the Earth. So remember, angular speed is omega, looks like a W, radians per time, right? Per second. So if it orbits the Sun, that it means that it has changed to pi, and the time it takes to do that is 3.16 times 10 to the 7th seconds. So I plug that in. 2 times pi divided by 3.16 to the 7th. And we're going to keep 3 sig figs, so our answer is 1.99 times 10 to the negative 7th rads per second. Okay? Then we want the angular speed, the tangential speed. So remember, tangential speed is the circumference of the circle, 2 pi r over t. Okay, so then I plug in my information to pi times 1.50 times 10 to the 11th meters, and then divide that by 3.16 times 10 to the 7th seconds. Okay, 3 sig figs on this one. So I need to round 29,800 meters per second. Okay, and then that brings us to centripetal acceleration. Okay, so centripetal acceleration, remember, is always pointing towards the center of the circle, whatever it is rotating towards or rotating around. So if we were, it's not a new force, it's just whatever forces are pointing towards or accelerating towards the center of the circle. So if I, again, go back to this idea of swinging an object around on a string above my head, okay, the centripetal acceleration would be equal to the tension. We would break it apart, but the tension in the string, okay? So centripetal acceleration, the formula for that is the tangential speed, v squared, over r, because it is always pointing towards the center of the circle. Okay, so we found the tangential speed in the previous problem. So I'm going to just take my number that I had, I'm going to square it, and then divide by the radius, which is 1.5 times 10 to the 11th, and I'm going to keep 3 sig figs, so our centripetal acceleration is equal to 0.00593, and remember the unit is meters per second squared.